Testing sound, it's working, cool. Let's see if the stream even is working. Awesome. Cool, cool. Wait. Hold on. It is streaming, but why is it not showing? Oh, wait. Cool. Can you not do that, please? Yeah, it's working. Cool. So, let's see. What I was gonna do, yeah, you can just look at the title. I'm gonna do tutorials. But I'm gonna wait till people join, so... Yeah. Anyways. So I'm gonna move this to here. Because I don't need it. And... wait, I'm gonna do an announcement so everyone can join. I'm gonna do... I'm gonna post it in YouTube videos. That's here. There we go. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna... minor statement. Let's see how many people are watching. Alright. 10 people, cool. 18, holy cow. Okay, many people are joining now. 21. Oh god. Hello everyone. I'm just gonna wait a little more. Because I think people will join, like, more. Yeah, this is enough, so... I'm just gonna start off with downloading the original save file. So that's like how you get the minor statement file, basically. Just ask me how to do stuff in the chat, and I'll answer them. Oh wow, wait a minute. What was that? Wait, is my mic too low, or what? Oh, never mind. I'm not sure why it's um, like bugging and stuff like that when you do your own sacrifice. But if you look in the output, you could probably see the errors. So yeah. Okay, now it's working. So this is this is basically the original save file that um, Bresta published. So if just ask me something in the chat, like what I could change and stuff like that. Like if you want currencies or anything, just say it in the chat. I'm gonna add some music just because why not? How to make a custom box? Well, I can show that. So, first of all, you need to go to replicated storage. Then you go to boxes, and then you go to just copy any of these. Um, I'm gonna copy regular. Now you can change this name to whatever you want. Like the box name, so funny box, or like clover. It's gonna be a clover box now. Here's all the chances for your box. So if you want the shop chance to be like 100, then you just change this. If you want it to be 0, then you change it to 0. That's basically it. Vintage chance, those are like vintage items. So yeah, and I think many people are gonna ask this, so I'm gonna show you how to add exotics to the box, or to any box. So you want to go to lottery lib, which is located in replicated storage also. So you just need to scroll down to see it here. Then you go down till you see where is it? Vintage items. So you can change this, or actually just add an or v dot tier dot value equals wait, I'm just gonna do something. Alright, sorry guys, I'm just gonna do something real quick. Okay, so, sorry guys, I just needed to do something with the playlist. Okay, so for the exotics to be added, you just need to type or after item type value 99. So or v dot tier value equals with 2 of these. 41 which is the exotic tier value, and the chance is 0 or above, or actually yeah, above 0. Then it's gonna trigger the chance math thing. Yeah. You don't need to change these, but if you want the chance to be higher with clovers, then you just change this, which is if clovers, then chance. So you just change this to whatever value you want. So now if I want the chance to be like 100, then you change it to that. And if I try to play in studio, it's gonna say that like error loading and stuff like that. Yeah, you must publish the game to access data stores, and it will just be like this. And when you try to load, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it's just gonna freeze. So what you need to do is publish to Roblox. So I'm just gonna publish, and I'm gonna publish to a new place. It's gonna take a while. Create new place. It's gonna be private because I don't want people to join. It should be 6, but I don't think it matters. It does though if you publish it, but by the way. I'm just gonna do this just because. And create. Now, it's gonna work. Like you can see the map and stuff like that when you play, but it's gonna say error loading. So, what you need to do is go to game settings at the home page. Then you go to options, enable studio. Wait. Hold on. Okay, I don't think I don't need to worry about that. Alright, save. Wait, what? Oh, that's weird. I just published the game, but that's strange. I guess publish again. Why is it not published? Okay. So it should be working now. Yeah, and API is enabled. Okay, that was weird. Anyways, now if you press play, it should be able to like go into the game. So let's see. There's no errors with loading the game. Cool. As you can see, the map is loading and the save slots also. Yeah. Cool. So now we can test the game. And now, how do you get box? that I just made. Well, there is a command for that. So I'm not sure if it's like this, but I think it's game.players. Dots. Wait, I'm just gonna go into players in here. Crates. I don't think I'm doing it right, but I'm trying. I'm just gonna try this. And nope, it didn't work. So I'm just gonna try this because I think it's this. No, okay, I forgot. Wait, I'm just gonna pull up this one. So it's or maybe it's this players dot create crates dot clover. Oh, wait. This is probably the issue. Sorry for it taking so long. Now it worked. Cool. So as you can see, the Clara box, yeah, it's working. It has the same icon because I copied the regular box, obviously. So when you open the box, you can see that there's exotics in it, which is cool. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, well, that's how you make a box with exotics also. Next thing, I saw that many people wanted currencies, so I'm gonna make that. Let's go to. You need to go to Start GUI, then GUI, and at the top, then go to currencies, and copy shards. Now you can scroll down in properties till you see visible, and check that. And now you need to rename it to what you want the currency to be named. So mine is gonna be powered charts. And I'm just gonna modify this one to like green or something. Like this. What's next? Well, now you need to put this on not visible and go to where is it? HUD, the module. Then you need to scroll down till you see shards. The stream will be available after it's ended. I think it will be. I will try to make it like that, but yeah. So yeah, just copy the whole a shard thing and change all these things to powered shards. And the same for the other ones. Wait a minute. Just to be safe, I'm not gonna do spaces. So I'm gonna change the name of this to power shards, but without the spacing. If power shards, yeah, and then you just need to paste it. I just double click on shards and press Ctrl V. Yeah, that's how you do it. And now what's left? Tycoon, yeah. So you need to go down till you see shards. Space 2 times and then Control C and Control V. Change this to powered, or like the name you have on the currency. And do the same thing here. I don't think we can get White Dwarf yet. I'm not sure, to be honest. That's everything. No, I'm just kidding, sorry. There's much more. Or not much more, but you need to go to server script storage. Or server script service, yeah, sorry. And go to player data guardian. Scroll down. Or hold on, wait. Yeah, you don't need to edit this one, but you need to go to player data guardian and fast values and copy this and rename there. That's everything. Yeah, that's everything you need to do. So if I join, it should be working. I hope. Let's see. Oh wait, I forgot something. Oh, I know. Okay, so what you need to do, if you see this error, just go to Start GUI, and copy shards, and rename it to your currency. In this case, mine is powered shards. That should fix the problem. Um, how to make them obtainable during Rebirth. Oh, I can show that. But like how to obtain it in the console, I can show that right now. So yeah, but it's in the Rebirth handler. I can show it later. Anyways, to give it to yourself, you do game.players powered shards.value. Wait, what do you mean? Powered shards is not a valid member of player. Wait, players? Well, that's strange. Wait, I'm just gonna copy it. Oh, oh yeah, I just saw that. I'm stupid. Now it's working. of, of course. Um, yeah, I always forget my username. I don't know why, but anyways, that's how I do it. Game.players, your name, powered shards dot value, and yeah, your number. Or the amount you want. So as you can see, it's there, it's working. Now, if you want to get it from rebirthing, that's one way to do it. Then you need to go to rebirth handler, scroll all the way down till you find shards, copy it, make 2 spaces, and rename this to powered shards. Now it's gonna reward you like shards. Like this awards you the dependence of the shards. It depends on your skips. So if you skip 5 lives, it will give you 2 or 3 shards. I don't know how that works actually, but if you skip 4 anyways, it will give you 2 shards. So that's how it works. But if you want to multiply, you just multiply by your skips. You just do this and change it to this symbol. So it's gonna be your skip times 2. And now you just need to rename all of these to powered shards, or your currency name. And here you can put wait. Yeah, a jump is skips. It's the same as skips. It's just another definition, you know. But if you want to put your icon, you can just copy the asset ID and paste it here. But that's how you add it, so it should be working now. if I go into the game. Okay, so now let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself some money to test this. Okay, it's... Let's see how much it gave. Yeah, 40 shards. Powered shards, so it's working. So yeah, that's how you like add them to Rebirth. When like to a reward when you Rebirth. If you want it to be to a specific sacrifice, you can just go to the same place again. So Rebirth Handler, scroll down. So if power shards... Wait, hold on. I just need to read this real quick. If it's above 0 and... Yeah, we need to add an and here. And player find first child. Second sacrifice. An example. Then it's just gonna give it if your second sacrifice. And over. I think that's how it works. Cache fixes. That's really easy, to be honest. You just need to go to replicated storage, then scroll down till you find monolib. First of all, you need to change the money cap. So you need to go to player data guardian. Search for money. You do control find, by the way. So just change this to 308. And scroll more till you find this. And change this to 308. And this also. And now it should cap at the max value. So now you just need to add the suffixes. So like, yeah, it's you need to make them on your own. So it takes a lot of time, you know. But this is how you add more suffixes. You just do send. That's it. Like, yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna upload a stream. And now while I'm in the Rebirth Handler, if you want to lower the price for rebirths, either you can change this to 1 or any value. But I'm gonna change it to 1, and this is the max rebirth price that you can have. So it's basically 10 181 times. So you can just change the values to whatever you want, basically. But it's gonna cap at 308 because that's how much Lua can handle. It's gonna be like 308, the same as huge. Or wait, math dot huge. Yeah. I don't know if it even tells it. Uh, Larger than or equal. I'm not sure, but I think that's how it works. I'm gonna test that, to be honest, because I haven't done it before. So, and if you want to lower the skip price, you change this to 1 or this, and this is the skip cap. So if you want it to be 500, you can do that. So yeah, let's see how it works now. I hope this doesn't crash my game. Okay, so yeah, 9.10. Yeah, that's not much. So, and I can skip 500 lives because I lowered the value to like the lowest. So yeah, it's working. And I got to Vampire Sports. Wow, that's that's crazy. Yeah. Um. Well, yeah, it's working. Oh wow, it's 5 billion now. I don't even know how math huge works, but yeah. Anyways, that's how you do that. Um, if any of you guys have any questions on how to do stuff, just ask me in the chat. I can post that in chat. Wait. Um, there we go. I just posted it in the chat. So yeah, just hit me up with questions, and I'll do them. Like things to add to the game. How to add custom currencies. You need to go to Start GUI, in GUI, and HUD top. Then go to currency and copy shards and paste into the same currency, and then you name it to what you want it to be named, like mana or power or whatever, and make it visible so you can see what you're doing. And then you need to go to HUD and scroll down to find shards, copy the whole script, and paste it under here, and name it the same as the currency in the HUD top, powered shards, and yeah, just change every shard thing to power shards. And you need to go to Tycoon, scroll down to find shards, and replace it with your currency name, the same thing. And then you just copy shards and in GUI and paste a new one that's named powered shards. Um, yeah, that's how I add it. And also, I forgot. You need to go to server script storage or service and go to fastlib or fast values and add a new value that's named your currency, basically. And it should work after that. Um, yeah, that's how I do it. Um, you just need to wait. So in here, you in Google, you just go search for miners haven GitHub, and it will probably show up with this, and you just click on it, and then you just press this green button and download a zip. I already downloaded it, so yeah, I'm not gonna download it again. Yeah, that's how easy it is. I mean, just ask me anything to do, like edit anything. I don't know what stats are for that. I'm trying to remember. Um, Honestly, I don't remember. It was a long time ago I looked at that script, so yeah. If you want to know how to do something like sacrifices, etc., in Miners Haven, just ask me or say it in the chat, and I'll show you. How to add sacrifices? Well, there's many steps, but I think the most reasonable thing is to start in sacrifice script in server scripts service. Um, yeah, I can show how to get item every 10 seconds. That's easy to do. Well, anyways, how to add a sacrifice? Well, you need to scroll down all the way till you see this thing. This this the part the script part that shows that displays in the chat that you have sacrificed for other players. So if you want to add one more, you just press enter and copy this and change the if on the second to else if, and change this to third sacrifice or whatever you want the sacrifice to be named. And I'm gonna change this to say just perform the third instead of second. You can disable this. This is just the badges. They don't really matter that much. And now you need to edit this also. So wait. If player is not sacrificed, it will add a sacrifice tag. Else if the player is sacrificed, then it's gonna add the second sacrifice. I don't know how much it gives, like the timeless Kermites. I don't remember. Well, so yeah, you just need to change it to like this, and then you need to add another else if. So if the player is second sacrificed, then it's gonna add a new tag which is named third sacrifice, and then you need put a space again and end. That's how you do it. It's I'm not finished yet, so this is the award thing. So if players, we need to do the same thing here. So also if the player is sacrificed, and do a space again. I'm just gonna copy this so I can do it faster. If the player is second sacrificed, it's gonna I'm just gonna add a hint because there's no item yet. So the third sacrifice. The hint is just like a message that will show up in the top. I think you know what I mean, so yeah. But it's gonna hint the third sacrifice. Just in case, so nothing goes wrong, it's gonna award me an item. So this is the ID basically. So Iron Mine, the basic Iron Mine is 1, so I changed it to that. You need to change this one also to third sacrifice. And that's all you need to do in this script. Now what you want to do is go to player data garden, scroll down to see this sacrifice tag, 2 spaces, copy this, paste it, change this to third, and change this also. I scroll down more till you find this thing here, which is if player data, and you do 2 spaces again, copy, paste, third, and here is the prefix thing. So this is really important. This is the thing that shows the prefix. So you need to make a space and copy this, change this else if, and change this to, wait, sorry, third. And change this to I want it to be. I want it to be set minus, so that's what I'm going to change it to. And it's the same here also. You need to you can just copy it from the top, and that's everything you need to do here. So now you need to go to Rebirth handler. Scroll down till you see. Wait, I'm just gonna check so I didn't miss anything. Oh yeah, this one. This one is important. It's the retain. This is used for both sacrifices. That's why it's only saying sacrificed. So you need to do add an else if here. And old life. And now we need to do another else if. We can just copy this. Change this to third. This is the life when you will get your items back, basically. So, yeah. And now you need to do the same thing here. And you just need to do an end. And that's how, yeah. Now you need to go to this part. You don't need to add a script to this if you don't want to. But if you want, like, if you want an item to be awarded to the player after the first life, then you can just do an if, and then change this to else if. It's the same thing as the other ones, like this one. Where is it? It's the same as this. So yeah, and let's see if I didn't. Yeah, we need to edit this, change this to else if, and then just copy this. And it needs to be same in all the scripts, else it will like not be like it will break the game. So keep in mind these need to be the same everywhere. That's everything you need to do in a Rebirth handler. Now you need to go to MPS calc. Go scroll down till you'll see this, if child name sacrificed or second. add another one. That's our child name. Equals third sacrifice. Then wipe blah blah. Yeah, you don't need to care about this. And if you want to, that's, wait. Yeah, that's everything you need to change in main. So if you want it to be displayed in the leaderboard, you just change this. You just need to go to server script service and leaderboard stats and change second sacrifice to third. Now we have changed all the scripts, or added third sacrifice to all the scripts in server script service. Now we need to go to start GUI, GUI, and settings, contents and settings. Now you need to go to this part when you see sacrifice in second. Make space. And you can just copy second sacrifice and change this to third. Start over at set minus. Fixed data for like fixing. It's for fixing data after you restored from the other game. So I'm really sorry, but it's not for like restoring your data. So yeah, or like fixed data. We should actually do an announcement and say that it's not for like fixing data right now on the game. It's hard to explain, but just don't use the fix data button. I'm gonna remove it because it isn't necessary at all. Anyways, these are the descriptions and text that will show up. This doesn't matter that much. You can just type whatever you want here. And the yellow things. Or for you guys, it will be, I don't know if it's the same, but I have another theme on my script, so. But anyways, I think this is everything you need to do. Now we need to go to load GUI script, and go all the way down. Till you see defined or if data, and copy the second sacrifice and do else if on it. And on the top, you change this to third. And as I said before, it needs to be the same prefix, so set minus. And that's it. Yeah, it should be everything. Play. Let's see. it's actually really easy to do new sacrifices when you think about it. But it's just that the way you do it, like, if you don't know how to, it's really hard. But when you know, it's really easy. You can't do a lift in like shortcuts in Lua. It doesn't work. So yeah. Well, now the life requirement is the same as the second sacrifice and the first. So I guess it's gonna give to do it now. Yeah, or no, wait. Oh, I haven't sacrificed, that's why. So I'm just gonna sacrifice 2 times. Okay, so just gonna give myself 1k lives again. The second sacrifice, it seems to be working fine. The second sacrifice, okay, good. S plus. Yep, it's working. Cool. Never mind, it isn't. Think, what did I do wrong? Well, yeah. Okay, so I need to check all the scripts first of all to be sure. There could probably be a spelling error. Third sacrifice. Oh, this is not fun. I mean, it should be working. I think there's probably... I may know what the issue is. Okay, so I'm gonna reverse this. Reverse it, so this is gonna be at the bottom instead. So gonna do it like this. Oh, this is confusing now. Oh my god. Wait. This is also a thing that needs to be here. Now we delete this, copy it and paste it there. I know I had this problem before, so this could be like when I made sacrifices, that was a problem for me. So, well, this should fix it. So, and we need to do the same thing here also. Yeah. So copy this. This needs to be at the bottom. This is really confusing. But I think I can make it, so. Yeah. Okay, it's fine now. So I need to change this to if. And this to else if. Wait a minute. Okay, now it should be working. If second, then it's gonna do third. Else if sacrificed, then it's gonna do second. Else if not sacrificed, it's gonna add that. Let's hope this works. Yeah. Just in case something goes wrong. Or yeah. I'm just gonna do it here to prevent any issues. So I just need to change this. Else if. Oh lord, there's so many scripts. If I'm gonna do an add something here, and not player find first child third sacrifice. I add this code to prevent it to like interrupting the other scripts, or yeah. Wait, what am I doing? Second sacrifice, sorry. Sacrifice. There. Okay, so. Oh god, let's hope it works now. Okay, so I'm S plus. Now if I give myself items or lives, sorry, will it deferred? Okay. Yeah, it's working. So cool. Deferred sacrifice. Good. Okay, it's working. So, well, yeah, that's how you add a new sacrifice. It's a pain to do it when you don't know, but yeah, that's how you do it. I saw someone say before how to make true overlord devices and stuff like that, not just daily, and to work like every rebirth, or that they can be obtainable every rebirth. So if you want it to work like that, you just need to go to Rebirth Handler and remove last or remove today. I think that's the only need to change.